The will to achieve, to win, long has remained an enigma. Nothing, in fact, is so near to man, nor so remote from his understanding. And so, for centuries, he has sought some answer by exercising the human will on its most basic level, the bare interaction of mind and body. Long ago, man discovered that one of the greatest pleasures in life was doing what people said he could not do, defying convention, mastering the impossible. And today, this primitive will continues in karate, literally the empty hand, an oriental system of self-defense without a weapon. In the human mind, over thousands of years, a once dim and flickering spirit has grown and flourished, shaping desires and aspirations into a force as strong as life itself. And through generations, the question, too, has come forward, that if thoughts and wishes are of a different order of being from blood and bones, how then is man to explain their interaction? Perhaps the answer is in the asking, or hidden somewhere within the interaction itself.